So here we're going to learn how to solve absolute value equations. This is the example I'm going to do, but before I get there, let me explain why we do the way we do it. Let's look at a simple equation. The absolute value of x is 2. Well, we know the absolute value of any number is always positive, yeah? So that means this could be 2, because the absolute value of 2 is 2. This could also be minus 2, because the absolute value of minus 2 is also 2. So what you do to solve these is once your absolute value is equal to a number, whatever's in your absolute value, that can equal that number, and whatever's in your absolute value, it can equal minus that. Why? Again, because if this is 2, the absolute value of 2 is 2. If it's negative 2, well, the absolute value of negative 2 is also positive 2. So that's the idea behind solving these. So what do we do here? Well, the absolute value of 3 equals 3, so that means this, 2x minus 5, can be 3. But if this was the opposite of that, negative 3, the absolute value of negative 3 is also 3. So 2x minus 5 can also equal negative 3. Then we just solve these two equations. So when I add 5 to both sides, we get 2x equals 8. To solve this, we divide by 2, and we get x is 4. So that's one solution. There's another solution. When I add 5 over here to both sides, those add up to 0. We get 2x. 5 plus negative 3 is 2. To solve this, we divide by 2, and x is equal to 2 over 2, which is 1. So there's two solutions to absolute value equations. The only time you're only going to get one solution is if the absolute value is 0, because you can't get a positive and negative 0. It's just 0, yeah? But usually they have two solutions. So notice when I plug in 4, we get 2 times 4. 8 minus 5 is 3. The absolute value is 3 is 3. When I plug in 1, 2 times 1 is 2, and 2 minus 5 is negative 3, yeah? So 1 also works because the absolute value of negative 3 is 3.